Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can download and install WinRAR in the most easiest way. Simply open your browser and search for WinRAR. From the search results, go to the first web page. From here you can select your preferred language and click on download WinRAR. Now in the next page, scroll down and click on download WinRAR again. Once it's downloads, simply right click over it and run it as administrator. Now click on install, click on OK, and finally on done. That's it, WinRAR is successfully installed. Now you can easily use it for file compression and extraction. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.